Harshada, for those of you who are here for the first time. Today I've created this beautiful Indian traditional look, and this is the look that I've created for the upcoming festival, biggest festival of the year, called Diwali. Also, please take a note, this video is in collaboration with Lookadora. Lookadora is a website that provides personalized solution in terms of jewelry, styling, makeup, skincare, and not just that, they also sell stuff on their website. So if you wish to buy them, do visit the website. I'll post the link in the description. In fact, the earrings, this beautiful danglers, oxidized silver danglers that I'm wearing today, is from Lookadora. So if you wish to shop for them, go to their website. I'll put the link in the description box. So, moving on to our video, I'm wearing a grey suit today in contrast with this nice peach pink dupatta, and so I've created this look that I think complements my outfit. Never in my life have I ever, or on this channel, did a silver smoky eye tutorial. This is the first time I'm doing it, and I thought what perfect way to do it than on Diwali, because it looks so glamorous and so festive at the same time that I thought you guys would love to watch it and you would be able to recreate it as well, because who doesn't have a silver eyeshadow? I mean, come on. So if you are interested in watching today's tutorial, please keep watching till the end. Also, I haven't done like a full face glam on camera just to save time. I've only created this eye look. The base and my rest of the face makeup was already done off camera to save time. But if you wish to see how I do the rest of my face, the foundation routine, the contouring, then there's obviously another tutorial for it on my channel. So head over there. I'll post the link for that as well. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so let's dive in right to the tutorial. Today I'm using all MAC eyeshadows to create this look. I'm wearing a grey suit, so I want to create like a nice silver smoky eye. This is something I've never ever done on my channel. I haven't done a silver eyeshadow at all. So today I thought it's the perfect time. I'm wearing these beautiful oxidized earrings, and this grey suit is going to look bomb with silver eyeshadow. You know what I mean? Like a metallic grey silver eyeshadow. So I'm using all MAC products. I'll quickly tell you the names. This is the silver eyeshadow that I'm going to use. This is by MAC. It's called Electra. The number is 823. It's hit the pan. Not because I used it a lot, but because it broke. This is the color that I'm going to use for transition. It's by MAC again. It's called Saddle. This is again another color that I'm going to use for shadow. I mean, in the crease. It's called Swiss Chocolate. The dark brown color that I'm going to use to darken my crease. This is called Embark. The black eyeshadow that I'm going to again use to create the smoky effect, and it's called Carbon. In total, I'm going to use 4 eyeshadows, and let's begin. Okay, so first with the blending brush, I'm going to apply this light brown color called Saddle outside my crease. With a smaller blending brush, I'm going to take this color called Swiss Chocolate, which is a medium brown, and I'm going to apply it right into the crease. With this dark brown color called Embark, I'm going to apply it in the outer V. And now I'm going to blend that all again with this light brown color that I used first called Saddle. I'm going to use the silver color called Electra. Apply it on the lid. want to stop at the 3/4 of the lid and not go all the way to the outer V. Now I'm going to go in with this black carbon color. Blending brush, I'm going to blend that out a little bit. Next I'm going to take a kohl pencil. This is by Pac Cosmetics. It's called Long Lasting Kohl Pencil. I'm going to apply it in the waterline. Now with an angular brush, I'm going to blend that out using a black eyeshadow. And you can see the difference. This looks a lot more intense and smoked out. I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other eye. Now I'm going to take the same silver shadow and apply it on the inner corner of my eye. Just very little bit. And now I'm going to use the same highlighter that I've applied on my cheekbones, as you can see here, to highlight my brow bone. That completes the eyeshadow. Now we're going to finish it with mascara. So first I'm going to curl my lashes. Then I'm going to apply the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express. It's my most favorite mascara. I always say it and never get tired of saying it. And that's the completed eye look. Now I'm going to finish it with a nice pinkish nude lipstick. First I'm going to apply this lip color called Spice from MAC. And then I'm going to apply this lipstick by Pac Cosmetics, not MAC Cosmetics, by Pac Cosmetics, and it's called Kappaccino. Now I'm going to contour my lips with a slightly dark brown lip color by Pac again, and this one is called Infinite Kiss. Just line it ever so lightly so that it gives like a fuller lip effect. And that's the completed look. But no Indian look is complete without a bindi. So I'm going to apply bindi right. And that's the end of this tutorial. Let me quickly take my dupatta and show you how it looks. And this is the completed look, and I'm so happy with what I've created today. I mean, I've never ever in my life have applied a silver shadow. This is the first time, and I'm quite pleased. I think it looks stunning, it looks sultry, and the whole smoky effect and everything is like just bomb as fuck. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. I hope you recreate this look, and if you do, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. My handle is Harshada Official. Also, I wish you all a very, very, very happy and safe Diwali. Try to have an eco-friendly Diwali and be mindful of our street animals. Please guys, don't burst firecrackers. Please, it's a request. I mean, it's an appeal. If possible, try to not burn firecrackers. Try to not burn your money in fireworks, because it just creates a lot of nuisance, a lot of noise pollution, a lot of sound pollution. It disturbs the street animals, they freak out, and it's just not a very happy situation. I mean, if it's a festival, then I guess everyone should be happy, right? Not just a few. So be mindful, and I hope you have a great Diwali and may bring a lot of happiness to your lives. On that note, I shall take your leave. You take care of yourselves, and I'll see you really soon. Bye guys!